Think you lack self-esteem and confidence? I'm Dr. Steve, and I'm going to show you that you not only have confidence, but I'm going to show you where to find the confidence. Stay tuned. The first one is to know yourself and your talents. We all have a unique blueprint on the planet, and you have specific talents and areas where you're of highest confidence. And so knowing yourself, and this is where personal development work comes in, is knowing yourself and your talents and your skills. Because where you have talents and skills, you automatically have confidence. That's your birthright. The second thing is doing what's highest on your values. So the first is to know what your talents are. And the second is to actually do what your talents are. A lot of people hold back their talents. A lot of people end up doing things in their life that aren't allowing a full expression of themselves and their authentic nature and their talents and their unique gifts that they get to bring to other people. Because we minimize ourselves, we actually lose confidence in that process. So in the second step, it's about actually doing the stuff and putting yourself out there to express what you're naturally good at. And the third step, as Emerson said, is imitation is suicide. Trying to imitate others is a sure way to lower your confidence. The first step is knowing yourself, the second is doing what you value, and the third is don't try to imitate other people. In the comments, tell me one talent that you have, one thing that you're just amazing at and that you feel like you've been gifted with in your lifetime. I want you to tell me one of those things and hit the big red button and subscribe to all my videos. I'm Dr. Steve, and head on over to more things at stevenfonso.com. Would love to see you there.